Welcome to Yoga Alliance's website tutorial series. My name is Tony, and today I'll be sharing a much requested overview of updates we've made to our member dashboard, accessible to registered yoga schools and registered yoga teachers. First, let's log in. Enter the email address associated with your account along with your password. Once you log in, you'll see your member dashboard. While it might look slightly different with our new branding, rest assured that it works very much the same. You can access all Yoga Alliance member benefits from your dashboard, including mental health support through the Member Assistance Program, discounts and business resources, and an archive of past member-exclusive events with recordings, presentations, and more. Let's dive into discounts first. When you navigate there, you'll find a list of available discounts relevant to your yoga practice, from apparel, props, and gear to insurance. If you'd like to see location-specific discounts, click the drop-down. Now let's take a look at setting up your teacher profile, which will be visible in our directory. In the sidebar, click on Edit Teacher Profile. Then follow the instructions to edit and preview the different sections. We recommend adding a profile picture and adding your contact information, along with specifying the types of yoga you teach, the languages you speak, a clear bio, and your teaching experience. Don't forget to add the Yoga Alliance credentials you've acquired in your journey thus far. Once you've updated the information in your profile, you'll be able to preview your listing and profile page as they're seen by the public by clicking on the How Do People See Me section next to your profile picture. If you're satisfied with your profile, make sure to click the Show button so that it will be visible on the Find a Yoga Teacher directory. You can also update a Yoga Alliance continuing education provider or YACUP profile by navigating to the YACUP dashboard, then clicking Edit Profile. You'll update your YACUP profile much in the same way that we covered in the teacher profile updates. If you'd like to update your school profile, navigate to the school dashboard, then click Manage School. After, click School Profile, followed by Edit School Profile. When you're done, click Show Now to make your profile visible in the Yoga Alliance directory. You may also want to update your communication settings so that you receive the content you're most interested in. We send weekly emails to our members sharing new member resources, invitations to exclusive events, and more. Your Yoga Alliance membership allows yoga practitioners to discover you and your offerings and gives you access to a wide range of member benefits. Think of the member dashboard like a toolbox full of everything you need to succeed as a registered yoga teacher or registered yoga school, all in one handy place. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you next time. More yoga, better world.